Hi guys, welcome back to my quirky kitchen. As promised earlier, I'm back with another mango dessert recipe. And since today is Mother's Day, I'm sharing this really simple mango baked yogurt recipe with you. This is definitely one of those easy and quick recipes you can make to surprise your mothers. So let's begin. You'll need some curd, mango pulp, fresh cream, and some condensed milk. This is literally a one bowl recipe. Simply add all the ingredients one at a time till you get a silky, smooth, and creamy mixture. Now strain the mixture in another bowl to get rid of any lumps or air bubbles. Once the mixture is strained, you can fill the mixture in glasses, cups, and bowls of your choice. Fill the cake tin with some water because we are going to bake these in a water bath. Bake in a preheated oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The surface of the baked yogurt appears completely baked and firm once the mixture is thoroughly baked. Let the yogurt cool at room temperature and then chill it in the fridge for 2 hours. The baked yogurt is now ready to serve. You can add any decorations or garnishes of your choice. Here I'm piping some whipped cream to add a nice contrast. I'm also going to top these up with some freshly cut mangoes. And finally garnish with some mint leaves. And there you go, mango baked yogurt is ready. A simple, easy and classic recipe with the goodness of mangoes. I hope you liked the recipe. Do give it a try and I'd love to know your feedback in the comment section below. And here's wishing all mothers around the world a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much for watching and please stay tuned to my channel for more such delicious and easy and quirky recipes. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my quirky kitchen. Bye bye.